Round two. Well, now I'm smoking. This doodad here. Did some quick Dr. Google search, and it says that's normal. Okay. Let's try this again. Put the choke on. So the panic was real, guys, but I did end up getting it fixed. We're good to go, and the mower's running like a champ. Thanks for sticking around. Take care. God bless.